Most people throw this part of the cucumber away, but did you know this peel is actually healthy and useful? Today, I'll show you how to turn cucumber rind into a healthy juice. The cucumber rind is the green outer skin of the cucumber. Many people remove it without knowing it contains important nutrients that support digestion and overall health. Cucumber rind is rich in fiber, which helps digestion and gut health. It contains antioxidants that help fight inflammation. It also provides silica, a natural compound that supports healthy skin, hair, and nails. Because it is mostly water, it helps keep the body hydrated. To prepare cucumber rind juice, start by washing the cucumber thoroughly. Peel or slice the rind, then chop it into small pieces. Add the rind to a blender, pour in some water, and add mint or lemon if you like. Blend everything until smooth and sieve. This juice is best consumed fresh. You can drink it in the morning or after meals. It is especially helpful for digestion, hydration, and skin health. You can add ginger to support digestion, lemon for taste, or mint for freshness. These simple additions improve flavor and health benefits. Instead of wasting food, turn it into something healthy. Subscribe to this channel for more simple, no-waste health tips.